All right, we are here at the Birdcage Theater located in Tombstone, Arizona. We are about to take the self-guided tour, which costed me 18 bucks. This piano. We'll get there in just a minute. So this poker table is a place where a 9-year-long poker game took place. And this is the game I was just talking about in that large photo frame over there. Surprised that we haven't visited this yet. This is a handmade crap table. Let's head upstairs. So this is the Black Mariah. They say that this thing used to have a cowboy for lunch every day. You know, there used to be one of these pieces of furniture, I'm not sure what you call them, a covered desk, in a cabin I used to stay in as a kid. So these bedrooms, there were some girls that were supposed to return to these rooms that worked in the bar, and they were supposed to return when the mines reopened, and that never happened. So they never returned to this room, and this is exactly how it was left. This is the other room I was telling you about. This is another poker table. The cage of the hands, as it says on there. And those are the gambling rules that you can see right there. There's another table. There's our gift shop. Quick look around the gift shop here.